Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making cookies guys. I'm going to making cookies with the peanut. And I'm going to use 500 gram of flour, 250 gram of powdered sugar, and 250 gram peanut. And I'm going to use olive oil guys, but you can use any cooking oil, it's up to you, okay? So I'm going to use 300 milliliter of olive oil. And I'm going to use 2 eggs. And for the peanut, I'm going to fry without oil guys. I'm going to fry a little bit. As long already turn brown, just like that, it's good enough guys. I'm going to take it out right now. I'm going to blend all the peanut. Okay, it's good enough. You don't have to blend it too long, just like that. And now I'm going to put all the flour and powdered sugar and peanut in the container. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix it a little bit first. Okay, now I'm going to add oil little by little first. I'm going to mix it a little bit first. And now I'm going to put all the oil. I'm going to mix it well first guys. Mother, Mom, can you please help me hold this camera for a little bit? I can't do it myself. This container is moving around. Okay guys, I'm going to mix it well first. Okay, it's good enough. Just like that. As long as you can squeeze it. Okay, it's good enough. Just like that. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the container. And I'm going to use only yellow egg guys. Mix it a little bit first. And now I'm going to take some of flour. I'm going to make it flat first. And for the cookies, I'm going to use mini mass cookie mold guys. I'm going to making second one. Okay, all done. Right now I'm going to making second one. I'm going to make flour flat first. I'm going to use flour mold guys. Okay, this is all the cookies flour guys. Right now I'm going to making cookie star. I'm making all of them guys. And now I'm going to smear all the cookies with the yellow egg. I'm going to smear all of them. For the Minnie Mouse, I'm going to put some ice on it, and I'm going to put mouth too. Okay, all done guys. This is Minnie Mouse cookies. I make all of them. This is star cookies guys. I make all of them. And this is flour cookies. And this is flour cookies too. All done. I'm going to bake it right now guys. Make oven hot first using 300° Fahrenheit and bake it for 15 minutes. Okay, it's cooked already guys. I can take out all of them. And now let the cookies cool down a little bit guys. Right now I'm going to put cookies in the jar. I'm going to put all of them. This is the Minnie Mouse cookies guys. And this is the star cookies. And this is the flour cookies. This is the Minnie Mouse cookies. And this is inside guys. It's very crispy and tastes really good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to support my channel, okay? I will post a new recipe every Friday. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye guys.